To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Disengage the fasteners. Slide the filter housing door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing.
Insert your new filter into the housing.
Reinstall the housing by sliding the securing tabs in. Re-engage the fasteners. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.